should be getting the unveiling of our Durga Ma on the 27th evening. So that day is going to be the unveiling, and the official Durga Puja starts from 28th evening. 29th is going to be our Shaptami, 30th is our Ashtami, 1st of October is our Navami, and on the 2nd of October is the Dashami, where we'll have our immersion and everything. So this is the plan for the Durga Puja.
And needless to say, how much we're missing Debuda immensely. I'm sure we are going to be missing him throughout this tenure. Please tell us about, going ahead with Durga Puja this year without Debuda firstly.
I mean, of course for me, but I think for all of us here, this year is going to definitely be marked a lot by the fact that Baba is not around this year. Because especially in the last 10-15 years, he was like so passionate about putting the puja together. So I think he's going to be in all our minds and hearts. In fact, I'm coming from doing a little puja for him today, and I think everybody here has been already very much at the forefront of organizing the puja and of keeping it going. I think I was standing a little bit more at the back because Dad was there. Now I definitely feel more responsible and a little more passionate myself to, step up and do more for Durga Puja this year.
And we're looking forward to that. Tanisha?
You want me to say something about
Going ahead now.
I think ये साल बहुत ही मुश्किल होने वाला है क्योंकि हमारे फैमिली में एक नहीं 3 डेथ्स हुए हैं. Unfortunately, it is a family पूजा. हम सब वहाँ होंगे, लेकिन हम एक्चुअली पूजा में बैठ नहीं पाएंगे पहली बार. डेफिनेटली बहुत डिफ़िकल्ट होगा देखने के लिए वो पूरा पंडाल एंड एवरीथिंग विदाउट द स्ट्रॉन्ग प्रेजेंस जो देवू काका का पर्सनैलिटी, प्रेजेंस, एवरीथिंग. आई थिंक हम सबको थोड़ी सी लाइक डेफिनेटली
Yes, Debu Kaka was one and only Durga Puja. He is the epitome of this puja. He was himself an institution. और आज जो भी हमारा पूजा इतना बड़ा हुआ है, बेस्ट पूजा, the biggest in Mumbai and of course all India also. बहुत ही बड़ी. So it's all because of him. One and only Debu Kaka. And of course he'll be missed a lot. I mean, there's no word. अभी भी हम लोग मिस ही कर रहे हैं, और उनका आशीर्वाद है और उनके ऊपर, संगीता के ऊपर, शामरदा के ऊपर, हम सब पर. एंड मेंबर्स नाइट विल बी अ वेरी स्पेशल नाइट डेडिकेटेड और श्रद्धांजलि ट्रिब्यूट टू रानू काका, देबू काका एंड Pishima. So this year is very, very, very difficult, but the show must go on, and I think we would be happy. And Debu Kaka is always with us, giving us strength and emotionally, mentally. And Debu Kaka ke liye to kuch bhi we can do for him. I mean, he was the captain of the ship, the pillar, and the most loved Kaka, and active in Durga Puja. बचपन से this is the 4th generation, the Lahiris, that we are in the puja, and Rego is a fourth generation now. My grandfather Apresh Lahiri, Bashwini Lahiri performed with Shashudar Mukherjee, Dadu and Dida, the great legends. Then my father, and me, my brother. Now it's Rego. So ये इतिहास चला आ रहा है, and of generations we pray to Ma Durga to give Ashirwad, to give us Shakti, strength, so that our children also take it ahead and make it bigger and bigger. That's what I really pray. Thank you so much.
We have special plans for unveiling of the Pratima this year. I would like you to shed some light on that.
Yeah, as most of you might be aware, this is the world's most followed Durga puja. If we talk about Insta or YouTube, दुनिया भर से करोड़ों लोग अपने पूजा को फॉलो करते हैं, और इस साल हमने कुछ स्पेशल प्लान बनाए हैं. सबसे पहले तो जो अनवीलिंग है ऑफ द दुर्गा माँ प्रतिमा, तो वी वुड रिक्वेस्ट ऑल ऑफ यू टू कन्वे आवर मैसेज टू द एंटायर वर्ल्ड दैट कि इटली भी हम अनवीलिंग करेंगे. And we expect, our followers across the world to see that. The other thing is that this year we also have thought about it. We try to do live stream of some of the special events such as the Pushpanjali, Aarti. दुनिया भर में again करोड़ों बंगालीज हैं, नॉन बंगालीज हैं जो बहुत श्रद्धा से अपनी पूजा को फॉलो करते हैं. बहुत लोग शायद दुर्गा पंडाल जा भी नहीं पाते हैं फॉर वेरियस रीजन. इस साल वी विल ट्राई टू इंश्योर हमारे इंस्टाग्राम के थ्रू कोई भी डिजिटली हमारे ये सब पुष्पांजलि आरती देख सके. So we'll try to make this even bigger this year. This being a tribute to Devu Kaka and other members who have left us. So we'll try to make it bigger this year.
Sir, your thoughts, please.
This puja started actually in my uncle's house, in Mr. Shashidhar Mukherjee's house, as the first year, much before I was born, 79 years ago. And then it moved to Podar School. I grew up with this puja in Podar School. It was a very small puja at that time. We used to sit, a few of us on the floor, and people used to serve and so on and so forth. And I think from there, the one who wanted to make it much bigger and bigger was Devuda. And so it graduated from Podar School, went to Balkanji Badi. We ran there, the puja there for a few years. फिर वहाँ से हम गए ट्यूलिप स्टार होटल, वहाँ पे ऑलमोस्ट 8-9-10 साल हम वहाँ पे थे. वहाँ पे पूजा और बड़ा होता गया. Now we have come to SNBT College. First of all, we are very grateful to all the authorities of the Education Ministry of Maharashtra as well as the management of SNBT College कि वो हमें परमिशन दिए हैं वहाँ पे पूजा करने. तो अब ये दूसरा साल वहाँ पे होगा और पूजा और बड़ा हो गया है. एंड we get about पूरा कुल मिला के 5 लाख लोग आते हैं. कुल मिला के हम ऑलमोस्ट 20,000 लोगों को खाना खिलाते हैं, भोग खिलाते हैं, which I think is very unique. और कोई पूजा है नहीं पूरे दुनिया में जहाँ पे ऐसा होता है. So I think this puja has now become a landmark. और शुरुआत बहुत छोटे से हुआ था, लेकिन ये अभी now it has become the largest puja in the city. It has become the most followed, most high-profile puja in the world. तो हमारा रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी यही है कि हम ये पूजा को बहुत अच्छी तरह से करें. और all arrangements have been made and it will be a very nice. जैसे कि सभी कह रहे थे कि this is in memoriam of who have passed away, my sister who has passed away. But definitely we want to make it a very happy memory for them and institution which they will be remembered by.
Of course.
So, yes.
Thank you. Ayan, what are your memories of growing up on North Bombay Durga Puja, as a child till today?
Oh, I used to be obsessed with. Can you all hear me clearly?
Yes.
I don't need this, no?
Yeah.
Actually, I was more involved and more obsessed with Durga Puja when I was younger than I think when I started getting more busy with my work. I think for a lot of children who grow up in the Durga Puja, it is just an absolutely fantastic experience. All the holy participating in it. The feeling of Ma Durga everywhere. It's just an unbelievable feeling. You know, those 5 days of the year were like a festival, which was just amazing. Going home, coming back for evening entertainment. So I think even I discovered a little, you know, later on how deeply Durga Puja is embedded in my mind and heart. So it is very close to me personally. Then of course because of dad and all of this. But I do feel that this cultural tradition that we are helping to continue is also very important in general for our society, for our city, for our culture. It's I see a lot of value in keeping this kind of tradition going on because it, you know, keeps something which is very intrinsic to our country and our culture alive by doing it. It's very, we could just as easily, you know, not do it, you know. But then these traditions, these things gradually disappear. So now I think of it a little bit more from that perspective. I feel we do have a responsibility to keep it going. You know, it spreads an energy out there which keeps things alive, a sense of community alive, which is very important. And actually, I think for my dad also, that was actually what the Durga Puja was about. It was more about bringing family and community together than only a religious festival.
The mic, huh? That's okay. Yeah. So basically, the Durga Puja for me has always been, it's always been about my dad. It's just always been about my dad. मेरे पिताजी जो थे, he was, you know, वो हमें हमेशा like they used to insist, नहीं, you and Kajal will come, you will give Pushpanjali and we will give it together. He would fast. वो wait करते थे कि जब तक हम नहीं आए, वो खाना नहीं खाते थे. उनका पहला मील होता था the home lunch. You know, it was just such a like insistence on his part क्योंकि वो इतना उसमें माँ में believe करते थे. In fact, today I'm wearing his pendant also, which is Ma's pendant. So it was for me, Durga Puja has always been like this symbol to my dad, and now of course to Devu Kaka. It's like, I don't know, it's their gift to us. What they, you know, they would take us there and, you know, make us experience this Durga Puja. And I experienced it through my dad. मेरा पूरा experience जो था, मेरे पिताजी के थ्रू था, and वो, you know, ऐसे मुझे याद है मम्मी हमेशा like, you know, जब भी छोटा पंडाल होता था उदास स्कूल में, हम ज़मीन पे केले के पत्ते लगाते थे and we used to eat, you know, bhog used to be served like that. It was beautiful. And we used to get सब बच्चे इतने excited होते थे, नहीं मैं खिचड़ी पकड़ूंगी मैं, you know, and till now
रसगुल्ला
अब तक हम सब बहनें इस पे ही बातें करती रहती हैं कि हम मीठा सर्व करेंगे, हम खिचड़ी. एंड शौनादा हमेशा मुझे बोलता है नहीं खिचड़ी इज टू हेवी फॉर यू. एंड आई एम लाइक नो शौनादा, आई डू वेट लिफ्टिंग एंड आई टेक द
बेगुन भाजा.
तो ये सब, you know, these are the fun, happy childhood memories that we have. And of course my mother used to insist every Durga Puja हमारा जो stalls लगता था, you know, the stalls that you, even then, even when it was small, जब भी छोटा भी था ना, तभी भी stalls लगते थे. And mom used to insist, she used to bully dad. She's like, you have to buy me a Bengali sari, a Dhakai Bengali sari. So, you know, till today, my mom buys me, Kajal, Bengali sari every Durga Puja. It's like, you know, it's tradition, yeah.
Wow.
Because dad used to do it every year for her. He would like, he would get bullied of course, because he bullied. हमेशा थोड़ा सा bullying होता था वहाँ. But it was just, you know, it was like, these are the moments. And I think life is just a series of beautiful moments. So, yeah, I'm looking forward.
See, Devu Kaka was my mentor, and I learned a lot under him, especially during the Durga Puja, because as a kid, for us it was the biggest, you can say, get together or a festival, and we enjoyed a lot. It was the place where all the family, friends, and it was a place where we could make new girlfriends. It was a very important place for all of us. But anyway, so Devu Kaka was there on every step. We were under him. He was the mountain, and we never thought that a day will come
Yes.
when the responsibility which he had on his shoulder will fall on our shoulders. And even till last year, when Devu Kaka was there, we were very happy to do the other things, but we were very secured and safe that this mountain of a man is there, and the puja will go on very well. It is going to reach its peak.
One
We'll have a
man show.
fantastic puja.
Totally.
Because when he stood there and the way he conducted everybody, that is the reason today this Durga Puja has reached this height.
Only because of it.
There were times when getting the Durga Ma and for the immersion, we used to have so much of, our heartbeat used to go for a toss because Devu Kaka always, every year he wanted a bigger idol. So the idol every year started becoming bigger and bigger, and it came to a point where even 50 people couldn't lift it. And I remember Devu Kaka should think that next year how we are going to do the immersion or how we are going to get the idol to the pandal. Then he started thinking, and it was because of him, today the idol comes on a forklift. We had the biggest immersion because we are the only people who could do the immersion in Juhu Beach with a crane. Durga Ma's idol used to go up in the sky but like about 50 feet high. Everybody should see it. And then the immersion used to happen. So all these innovative ideas he got, he lived in this Durga Puja in such a way that even towards the last few days when we were interacting, he used to only talk about the Durga Puja being like the way it is. He always wanted it bigger. For him, the show should go on. And that is the reason why many people thought that this year we have lost three of our pillars. My father, Devu Kaka, my Pishima. But it was his wish that the show should go on. It will still be the biggest Durga Puja of the country, and this core team is working on it. Every member of our Durga Puja committee is working very hard to see that this year we will have the biggest Durga Puja. Yeah. We have a beautiful theme this year of Pashupatinath temple.
Wow.
So I feel this year is going to be a very landmark puja, even though the pillars are not there, but definitely the spirit of Devu Kaka is there to guide us.
Of course.
And everybody will be missing him standing there on the stage.
We all miss him. I'd like to know about the Pushpanjali, the timing,
So let's make it short. We shall be announcing this all the information.
Pushpanjali has always would be around 10, 10:30, 11. That is the right time for Pushpanjali. And the board will be roughly between 12 to 2. But like Mehnat said, we track for the precise timing, but I will give you a generic timing. As far as the contribution on the article is concerned, that will be announced on Instagram because the specific timings are very important. I don't want to go wrong by any approximate timing. So please track that.
रहेगा
My God. See, Members Night is a Shraddhanjali tribute to our ancestors, the Kaka and the two Kakas and Ishima, and where the members are giving special tribute that night. A small tribute, like dancing in songs. They're going to show ADs of Devu Kaka as an artist, because he was not only in puja, he was a very good artist and a big artist, from ages. So a lot of members are going to dance and song, sing, as well as they're going to show the ADs of all three, their what work they have done, what they were actually. And then we're going to present the songs and all, and then Showminder and all there, he's going to perform from Calcutta. Shoptami, on the Shoptami, yeah. Showminder. Yeah, they're very popular, very popular. Then Pritam Das for Ashtami and Shilpa Rao. Lovely. So we're having a strong entertainment. What Devu Kaka always wanted, that we should work on the entertainment, and so this year also it's not less. I mean, his blessings are there, and we've worked hard. So.
Before we go ahead and take the questions from everyone, we would like to pay our tribute to Vedanta, and by a silent talk.
First of all, namaskar to everyone and to all. This puja has been very close to my heart, and because मेरे great grandfather श्री अवधेश लहरी जी और मेरे grandfather श्री बप्पी लहरी जी, मेरी मम्मा मामा, हम सब इस पूजा के पार्ट हैं. और Devu Dadu has been the epitome of our North Bombay Durga Puja, और हर चीज़ में उनका एक presence था. He was presence, like he was a pillar in our puja. और आई स्टिल रिमेंबर दैट लास्ट ईयर मैं और पापा जब हम लोग ग्राउंड पे गए थे पंडाल देखने के लिए, तो अकेले रात को 12 बजे देबू दादू अकेले लाइटिंग अरेंज कर रहे हैं, और ही वाज जस्ट लाइक अ पिलर ऑर्डरिंग एवरीवन टू डू स्टफ, एंड टू लाइक हिज लीडरशिप स्किल्स वर इम्पेकेबल, एंड आई रियली मिस हिम अ लॉट, आई रियली मिस हिज प्रेजेंस इन अष्टमी, एंड देन व्हेन आई यूज्ड टू गेट डार्क इन आरती, इट्स ऑलवेज dance with me and everyone used to enjoy. But I really miss Devu Dadu a lot, Rono Dadu and Ishima. And this year puja is going to be a very nice puja, because Devu Dadu always say show must go on, and we should continue doing our puja in a much better, bigger way as how they wanted it. And I know Devu Dadu, Rono Dadu, Ishima's blessings are always with us. This puja since when I was a child, with my granddad, with my mama, with my mum, solo. Yeah. So this puja is very special to me, and it has a very special place in my heart. And I will always be a part of this puja, and we'll take this puja together forward.
हजरत है, और जिन्होंने भी इस स्टेज पे उनके मंच में गाया है, कुछ भी किया है, वो आज सबसे बड़े दिग्गज लोग हो गए हैं इंडस्ट्री में. क्योंकि जब हमने पोद्दार स्कूल में शुरू किया था, तब मैं नाम नहीं बताऊंगी, बहुत से आज के जो बड़े हैं मेंबर्स आके एक गाना 2 गाना गा के गए, नेम इट, मतलब ह्यूज, मतलब 20-25 लोग हैं. पर इतना जागृत है माँ कि इनका आशीर्वाद जिसको अगर मिल जाए तो मिल गया, बस उसको पीछे देखने की कोई ज़रूरत ही नहीं है. So she is a living, and she comes in life when all the puja and Pushpanjali is done, especially on Ashtami, and she has given us everything. Whatever today we are is only because of Ma Durga. That's it. Thank you.
Thank you.